Say hello to O-Garden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. O-Garden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, O-Garden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. O-Garden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low-energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. O-Garden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, O-Garden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love. Through growing our own food, we can educate future generations on sustainable practices and create a real impact in the world. The future of produce is independence and sustainability. We believe O-Garden will bring us there. Join us. Back our campaign today and take the next step towards a more sustainable, healthier future.
Hello Kickstarters! I'm Sang-eun Chang, the CEO and designer of Yoke. I first want to thank all the supporters of our first solar project, Solar 8. Following the success of the Solar 8, this year we are coming back to present new solar paper, the thinnest and lightest solar charger in the world. Let's take a look.
Solar paper is super small and slim, so you can conveniently carry the solar paper when traveling or even in daily lives, and use solar energy anywhere under the sun. It can fully charge iPhone 6 within 2.5 hours. Also, solar paper is the world's first solar charger that can auto-reset via comparison operator, so you don't have to worry about shadow or cloud on solar panels. Also, it allows users to know exact power amount via numbers displayed on the LCD screen. Various devices such as GoPro, external battery, Bluetooth speaker, digital camera, AA battery charger, flashlight, smartphone, and even tablet PC that requires more power can be charged by adding additional panels. Magnet connectors help to conveniently add or subtract solar panels.
We are so proud of that we've come this far. But to meet the price point for more people, we need your support and green. We truly believe that the solar technology can relieve the battery problem we face every day and contribute to making the world greener. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy the sunshine. Bye!
In our fast-paced world, we overlook the most important component of our day, sleep. Studies show that waking abruptly or in the wrong phase of sleep can be as harmful as no sleep at all. We all have to wake up on time, but how we've been doing it is unnatural and needs to change. Most of us aren't even aware that waking to light the way nature intended can be the difference between another groggy morning or revolutionizing your day. Here at Mode Modern, we want to change that. The Sunrise Pillow is the world's first smart pillow that tracks your sleep, wakes you naturally with light, and reinvents the alarm. Our specially designed LED lights, speakers, and sensors are embedded beneath layers of premium memory foam. Simply set your alarm, choose your wake-up music, and go to sleep. In the morning, your pillow will glow from a soft morning red to orange until your room is filled with light. Then your music plays to ensure you're awake. By mimicking the rising sun, your body will be stimulated and wake up naturally, fully refreshed and ready for the day. The Sunrise Pillow's smart alarm knows when to wake you in your lightest phase of sleep, so you wake up focused and energized the moment you open your eyes. Our sensors monitor your sleep and give you a sleep score. If your sleep's interrupted at 2 a.m., you should be able to hear what it was, so you can adjust your surroundings to perfect your sleep. Fall asleep to nature sounds, your favorite audiobook, or mask out unwanted noise with the built-in sound conditioner. You can even fall asleep the old-fashioned way, with the adjustable reading lights that turn off automatically once you've fallen asleep. Here at Mode Modern, we've been hard at work. We're a team of designers and engineers with over 10 years of experience. Making a pillow for you to rest your head on may seem simple, but making it intelligent and easy to use takes even more finesse. That's why we're working closely with materials experts and software engineers to source the most comfortable materials and design the simplest system that works seamlessly to improve your life. The popularity in wearables is proof that we all care about improving our body's state of mind, but we shouldn't have to wear something to become better at it. The Sunrise Pillow is designed to give you insight into one of the most important processes of your life, your sleep.
When designing the Sunrise Pillow, we went through many iterations to make sure it was not only the most intuitive smart alarm, but also the most comfortable. We used soft, breathable fabrics and integrated cooling technology to keep you cool and comfortable the entire night.
Sleep plays a critical role in all our lives, so we didn't want to make this pillow without your help. We want the Kickstarter community to help us bring better sleep to everyone. With your support, we can together help people get more out of their days by improving the quality of their nights. We're so excited to build the Sunrise Pillow and get it to you.
Do you remember the first time you streamed a video on your smartphone? At that moment, you were no longer tied to your living room for your entertainment or to your office for work. You could access your content anywhere. But there's one small problem: your small mobile device screen. Almost all of us prefer large displays for entertainment and for work. When those work deadlines are approaching, a large desktop monitor or a dual screen setup will significantly boost your productivity. So what if there was a way to have the mobility of a phone, tablet, or laptop without losing the benefit of a large screen? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what we did. Introducing Spud, the spontaneous pop-up display. Spud is a high-resolution, 24-inch display that collapses down to the size of a book and weighs less than 2 pounds. This revolutionary product is the first truly collapsible display and the only device that gives you both portability and a large screen for entertainment and productivity.
Throughout the Spud design process, we focus on image quality and ease of use. We use the latest projection technology combined with our own custom optics to project a large, high-quality image over a very short distance. This enables Spud to produce a bright, sharp image that's about 4 times larger than a laptop screen and 23 times larger than a smartphone screen. To make Spud as easy to use as possible, we designed to work just like a ruggedized umbrella. You can pop up the screen in a very intuitive way, and you can have the Spud set up and running in less than 10 seconds. And since Spud is also lightweight, battery-powered, and uses a hassle-free HDMI connection, you can get straight to the big screen you want without wasting any time on setup.
One of the most exciting things about Spud is the many different ways that you can use it. On the entertainment side, Spud is basically a portable TV or movie screen. Whether you're traveling, camping, hanging out with friends at a coffee shop, or just lounging around your house, it's the big screen that you can use anywhere. For work, having a dual screen setup is great for productivity, but you can also use it for presentations and as a collaboration tool. It's great for trade shows, sales visits, or any kind of field work. Spud gives you the flexibility you need no matter the situation. And it's great because it's a complete solution in a very small package that you can take anywhere.
We have the team, the product, and the vision to execute on Spud. And now, all we need is your support. By backing us on Kickstarter, you're becoming part of our founding community. As a special thank you, we will be adding all of our Kickstarter backers to an exclusive VIP list that gives you early access to discount codes, product updates, and beta testing opportunities. So Kickstarter, what will you do with your Spud?